There are two stable tendencies that drive the thermal power industry in Ukraine. The majority of thermal power plants were built during the Soviet period, and their equipment is in desperate need of modernization. Otherwise, an increased failure rate and generation problems are to be expected. In the meantime, the country's desire to become self-sufficient entails construction through new, efficient facilities through the use of ultra-modern, highly effective technologies. Proposals to deal with these issues have been coming from various suppliers. It is well known, however, that companies with integrated design and production cycles are the most reliable. The ENERGETIK group of companies, one of the largest Ukrainian design and manufacturing associations. It supplies thermal generation equipment for various applications, including central heating plants and thermoelectric power stations.
We provide for a complete production cycle, including design, manufacture of custom equipment, launching the site, maintenance of the site.
A comprehensive approach is made possible owing to the group's several production facilities. Today, the group is comprised of the Monastirskaya plant, producing boilers of low and average capacity ratings. Its total area is 12,000 square meters with a product range of over 400 items. The plant employs 300 blue-collar workers and 70 engineering personnel. 274 units of production equipment are currently in operation, with several being unique pieces.
The plant has launched over 1,000 successful projects thanks to its highly qualified personnel and modern equipment.
The Parkomenko Boiler Manufacturing Plant, KMZP. This is the production site of high-capacity thermal generation equipment intended for district heating plants, thermoelectric power stations, and manufacturing facilities. The plant is undergoing continuous expansion. Its total area is 10.5 thousand square meters. The plant is made complete by its modern manufacturing equipment. The Kyiv Engineering Center, which is part of the group of companies, performs calculations, designs and installs thermal generation equipment, including custom-built pieces. It also deals with individual projects based on customer blueprints or technical design specifications. The center produces turnkey design documentation in accordance with regulatory procedure and provides comprehensive consultation and maintenance.
Thus, our partners are delivered equipment along with a complete set of services without the need for third-person intermediaries. A 5-year payback period is quite a decent figure in the thermal power industry. ENERGETIK solutions provide for payback within 1 year's time.
The water heating coal boilers installed in large greenhouse complexes have reduced their heat-associated expenditures by more than half. The effects ENERGETIK steam boilers have had on sugar factories, woodworking and paper mills are no less remarkable. For example, an average sugar plant would consume UAH 100 million worth of gas over one season. The ENERGETIK group of companies sends a proposal to renovate the plant's boiler house for UAH 50 million. This in turn halves gas consumption as early as during the next season. The group's plants are equipped with the most advanced manufacturing machinery. For example, a plasma instrument from a leading Czech brand is used to cut metal with high precision, while welding is handled by means of flux-colored arc welding equipment produced in Sweden. This machinery and technical process observed at ENERGETIK Group's facilities make it possible to work with sheet metal up to 120 millimeters thick and produce steam boilers with a working capacity of 100 atmospheres.
None of our domestic competitors is able to boast having similar standards.
The group guarantees the high quality and reliability of these products, installation and commissioning practices. The thermal testing laboratory and in-house attested mechanical properties testing facility allow ENERGETIK to perform incoming, operational and outgoing quality control. The inspection uses both destructive and non-destructive methods, including radiographic, ultrasonic flaw detection and hydraulic testing.
Thanks to the multiple stages of quality control currently put in place, our boilers are rated for 20 years of service and are covered by a 2-year warranty. The reliability of our product speaks for itself.
Quality is ensured by the high qualification of all employed personnel. More than 15 years of market experience allow energetic planners to solve most engineering challenges independent of foreign research. In exceptional cases, Western know-how is called upon to design proper solutions.
We have great experience in project implementation. This allows for preemptive handling of all conceivable problems at minimal financial expense to our partners.
Numerous certificates of conformance to global standards attest to the accuracy and dependability of the quality control procedures here at Energetik. Over the last 2 years, the Energetik group of companies has begun production of more than 20 pieces of new equipment. Since being launched in the year 2000, the plant's nomenclature has grown by over 20 times its original size.
We have been actively cooperating with the Kyiv Polytechnical Institute, as well as several research institutes. Today, we are jointly developing unique equipment that we hope may become the next big step in the field of thermal power engineering. We have been building our name in the marketplace for nearly 20 years. Therefore, we value our reputation, and obligations toward third parties are treated with utmost respect.
The Energetik group of companies always creates pleasant conditions for its partners, and the company is a reliable partner itself. We have seen this on numerous occasions, and now the mutual level of trust between our companies is very high. We really look forward to developing our relationship with them in the future.
There are oil concerns and other market heavyweights among the group's foreign partners. Energetik is actively working to establish cooperation with emerging regional organizations and is building a network of its own regional representative offices.
80% of the industry is in need of modernization. There are boilers that have been in use for 45 to 50 or more years in the Ukraine today. Thus, the demand for high-power generation equipment continues to grow.
According to company management, with KMZP having reached maximum operational capacity, the modern market's demand would be met and modernization of the industry could finally commence. That is exactly what has been put forth in the 2030 Energy Engineering Strategy of Ukraine.
We are the engine that can drive the country toward a new era of heat generation.